Hey guys, it's me, Winnie the Pooh. Great to see you. And now today is just pitch black outside. And today I'm gonna chill out. Hello there, Winnie the Pooh. Oh, hey Boo, how's it going? Yeah, good. I'm just gonna have a nice chillax. Yeah, so do I. I'm gonna see where Mini Winnie the Pooh is. I wonder Mini Winnie the Pooh is doing. Ah, this is nice. Hey Mini Winnie the Pooh, how's it going? Yeah, I'm good. Moo? What are you doing? Well, I'm just gonna have a nice chillax time. I'm just gonna have a coffee for a while. I think the cafe's closed because it's dark. Oh, sorry. Hey, guys! What's that? It sounds like Russell Martin and Eminem guy, I want as. I think I'm just gonna. I think I'm gonna see. Do you wanna come with me? Do you wanna come with me, Roo? Yeah, sure. Okay. Yes, what is it? Look who's coming to give us a message. Thomas the Tank Engine. Really? Shall I get Winnie the Pooh then? Hey, Winnie the Pooh, come over here. What is it? There's a message from Thomas the Tank Engine from Thomas Shorts. Look. Oh, okay. Maybe I'll sit down there and see his message. Okay, let's play.
Hello, characters of the Winnie the Pooh Toys family. It's me, Thomas the Tank Engine from Thomas Shorts. Hands up if you like Mario Toys Family Superstar. Hands up if you like the Humble Toys family. And hands up if you like my show Thomas Shorts. I know you guys do, but yeah. Winnie the Pooh, Mini Winnie the Pooh, told me to, interact the show.
Yeah, we do. To end the show.
Yeah, I know sometimes, but you could probably have seen it already.
Well, yeah. Well, sometimes.
By the way, I heard that you're a Thomas Shorts fan, just like the Mario Toys Family Superstar and Humble Toys Family.
Yeah, I think you're right. That you said.
Rhyme, it's a secret.
Oh, okay. We'll keep it a secret. Okay, then. So, remember, it's a secret. So, zip, 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 zip.
But by the way, does Ben Bryan always talks to Airman and Harry Humble?
Yeah, he's chatting to Airman 4 times ago. I wonder he will be on Winnie the Pooh Toys Family on FaceTime. I'm not sure. But he's chatting to Harry Humble about one time with his director Ben Bryan's birthday in this episode. I wonder he will also be on Winnie the Pooh Toys Family. No, I'm not sure actually, but Ben Bryan has chats to a lot of his mates.
Nice. Hopefully you get him someday.
Yeah, I think you're right, Thomas.
So yeah, does Ben Bryan needs to do a Nicky Graham impression, just like Harry Humble and Aaron Man?
Yeah, I think Ben Bryan would do an impression of Nicky Graham.
That's awesome. Hopefully they will. Please, the video's in the description. So, the video's in the description. If you can't find it, just type in who is she, Nikki Graham, and then you find it.
Okay then, mate. We'll see about that.
Cool. I'll see you then for the next episode when I'll be the phone caller. See ya!
Bye, Thomas. Wow, that's a nice chat to him. Yeah, I think you're right. But he will be here for the phone call in the next episodes. You're right to agree. Well then, people, I hope you enjoyed this episode, but I'm afraid it's time to go. Oh, we'll see you guys in the next episode. Hooray! And also, Thomas will be here in the next episode. Hooray! But for now, bye-bye, everybody. Bye-bye.
Thank you very much.